Well, how about the last few days? We have been very mild. We started off Friday with 65 for an afternoon high. And then on Saturday, we breached 60 degrees and got warmer. Well, today, 60 degrees here on Sunday, and that is still 10 degrees above our normal average. We hit that high in spite of all the clouds that have rolled in. 30 was our low this morning, a bit chilly, and it's going to be chilly again. Our average low is about 31, and many of the days here, at least in the short term over the next 7, are going to start off a bit cold in the morning, but the finish is going to be terrific in the afternoon. Weather headlines, look how beautiful downtown looks. Sunshine is going to return for a few days. It's going to return probably early in the morning and then full force by mid-morning, and we'll have a lot of sunshine throughout the rest of the day on Monday and a few days beyond. High temperature is going to be 5 to 10 degrees above average for at least a week, if not slightly longer. Unsettled weather pattern, though, rolls in by the weekend. So Friday through the weekend, that's when we get our best chance of rain coming. In the meantime, our forecast lows tonight getting down into the mid-30s. Some of us close to freezing. We make it there for Rogersville and Williamsburg, cross the line there in Kentucky. Crossville, 34. 35, you live in Maryville, you'll start off in the morning needing the coats or at least the heavy jackets. Pigeon Forge will get down close to freezing too. But by late in the morning into the early afternoon, you'll want to shed that because you're probably going to get quite warm, if not sweaty, because we'll have a lot of sun and temperatures are going to climb up to around 60 degrees once again in the afternoon. Some of us may just be shy of that by a degree or two, but it's still very mild. Clouds have enveloped the area because of that storm system to the south. They're just moving northward, and we're in the firing line, the receiving line of those clouds. However, the rain is not edging northward anymore. It's kind of halted. The rain is flowing more down to the south and east, and the moisture is just feeding into it out of the Gulf of Mexico and eventually the Atlantic too. And that's where all the moisture is going to remain. We're not going to get any rain out of this system. But the next one is looking a little better since we could use some more rain here soon. Forecast for our future cast is eroding those clouds overnight tonight, and by morning we'll have a few clouds about, but by mid-morning, all those clouds disappear and we get a lot of sunshine throughout the rest of the day going into Tuesday. Now, we may have a few clouds Tuesday and Wednesday, but it's still going to be mostly sunny on those days. Temperatures stay mild through the weekend. Some indication, though, maybe next week, not this one, but the week after, temperatures will cool back down. February 12th through February 18th, temperature outlook is going to be slightly below average. So there you have it. We are in February, in fact, and it probably will cool down eventually because it's very difficult to retain these temperatures in the middle of winter for several weeks. 35 degrees overnight tonight. It's going to be cold and dry. Northeast winds will eventually start to die down, but we'll have gusts perhaps as much as 15 to 20 miles an hour again as it picks up tomorrow. We'll have lots of sunshine, high of 60 degrees. Tuesday, much of the same, although our temperature drops somewhat. We'll start off freezing, but then climb back into the 50s, if not the upper 50s. Again, Wednesday, Thursday, looking good, but clouds will start to thicken up later in the day, and then we get a chance of rain Friday. At some point, there'll be a little bit of a break, and then more rain moving in on Sunday and into Monday. Hope you have a terrific week this week. I'll see you again here soon.